I'm Roger Olsen. I'm very proud to be the inventor of Artus, the new air conditioning technology from Artus Air Limited. My motivation for creating Artus was to help solve one of society's greatest challenges, to reduce the amount of energy we all consume. Artus is also a great solution for many other reasons and can be used in residential, commercial and healthcare settings. It gives ultra-low energy consumption, saving 89% for fan energy and saving 60% for heating and cooling alone. It also provides greater thermal comfort. Artus provides even air distribution with no drafts and precision temperature control. It also offers reduced noise, better aesthetics. It comes as a fully packaged solution and it's much better for maintenance because it's self-access. Artus is slim and compact and uses 90% less ceiling area and 60% less depth than the standard fan coil solution. That means we could save enough height in a 12-storey building to have space for an extra floor. It costs less than the alternative solutions, so you can see why we're so excited about the future for Artus.